Craving a fancy seafood dinner but short on time? This video is for you. I'm making a sunny seafood platter that is surprisingly easy to assemble. I will share all my tips and tricks to make it look restaurant worthy. So are you ready to impress your guests or yourself? Let's get cooking. For more deliciousness, let me know in the comment section if you give this recipe a try, and don't forget to share this with your foodie friends. To start with, we'll prepare all the ingredients that you'll be needing to make the seafood. Here I have some of them assembled on my work table. We have the prawns, the shrimps, eggs, sausages, corn, crabs, and our pepper combo. There are also things like butter, onions, spices which are not on the table, but you'll see me use them in the video. Now let's jump right into it. First, I decided to blend my pepper combo, which comprises of my bell pepper, onions, tomatoes, Scotch bonnet, ginger, and garlic. After blending, I transfer into my cooking pot, allow that to cook while I prepare other ingredients. While that is cooking, I prepare the spices for the shrimps and prawns. In a small bowl, I added a little amount of salt, onion flakes, garlic powder, black pepper powder, seasoning cube, and about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, which I just eyeballed. Mix together and pour some part in the prawns and the other half in the shrimps. Use your hand to mix the ingredients into it very well so that the shrimps and the prawns can absorb all the ingredients well. Next thing is to stir fry the shrimps in a separate pan. Allow it to cook on both sides until it's golden brown. After it is done, take them out of the pan and set aside. Next is also to stir fry the shrimps. Wait for it to saute or brown on the both sides also. While that is done, take it out of the pan and also set aside into a clean bowl. Next is to also fry our sausages a little bit. Be careful not to overheat your sausage as it may burst and this may cause kitchen hazards, so be careful. Just medium heat is okay. While that is done, I proceeded to boil the crabs for at least just 5 minutes. While that is boiling, in another pan, I heated some margarine, added in chopped onions to infuse more flavor into the margarine. Adding onion into the margarine is totally optional. You can do that if you wish, but I decided to add it so that it can infuse some more flavor into the margarine. After all the margarine has melted, I introduce my pepper blend. Adding about 1 teaspoon of salt. Add my flavor enhancer. This flavor enhancer is heavenly. If you want me to share the recipe with you guys, kindly comment, please share, and I'll be happy to share it with you guys. Stir carefully to combine all the ingredients into the pepper combo. I added a cube of bouillon to adjust the taste. At this point, the kitchen smells so heavenly and everyone was salivating. Now it is time to combine everything together. Combine all the eggs, sausages, corn, pepper and everything. Everything goes into one pot. Mix everything together and pour all the pepper blend on top of it. Carefully use your spoon or spatula to separate it so that the pepper can absorb all the ingredients. Wow, this is so colorful and inviting, and everywhere smells amazing. This kind of food, this is the kind of food to prepare anytime you have a special guest or you want to treat your family to a special meal. They will absolutely love it and crave for more. Cover it and allow to simmer for a while before taking it out of the stove. I then transferred everything into an aluminum foil. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and always leave a comment to tell me your opinion about my post or anything I post. Thanks for watching and see you on my next one. Bye.